Welcome to Goldback, where our motto is gold you can spend. And we're going to show you someone doing just that. This is Charlotte. She's looking to buy this used van. But before she does, she wants to get it checked out by a mechanic. Clegg's is a locally owned and operated mechanic shop. They check out the van, top off the oil, and it's good to go. So now it's time for payment. She asked them, and they said yes to accepting Goldbacks. So they checked the current average retail price for Goldbacks, so she knows how much to pay them.
But basically, it's about 15
Goldbacks.
Yeah,
14 Goldbacks.
or 14 Goldbacks
and some greenbacks.
US.
This can be found on the front page of Goldback.com. Now she's good to go, and it's time to go buy the van. For a list of retailers who officially take Goldbacks, visit Goldback.com. Click here to subscribe, or here to watch a video about us taking Goldbacks to California. And don't forget to tell your friends about Goldbacks, the gold you can spend.